Hello students, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we will be studying about different operations that can be performed on items of a dictionary. Okay, so in the previous video, we started with the introduction to dictionaries, and now let's see that if dictionaries are mutable, how can we add an item or change an item in an existing dictionary. So let's suppose we have a dictionary named DICT1 and it consists of 4 items. The first item has key Mohan, value 95. Item 2 has key Ram and value 89. Then item 3 has key Sohail and value 92. And item 4 has key Sangeeta and value 85. So now if we want to add a new item in this particular dictionary, then the syntax for doing so is you write the name of the dictionary and in square brackets you specify the new key value for the item that you want to insert in the dictionary, and then you assign it to the value corresponding to this new key. Okay, now when you print the dictionary, you will get the existing elements along with the new item that you added. So in this case, the last item Meena colon 78 is also present in this particular dictionary along with the existing items. Okay, so whenever you want to add an item, just write down the name of the dictionary followed by square brackets and the new key value, and then assign it to the value corresponding to that key in the dictionary. Now if you want to modify an existing item, then what should you do? So the same procedure holds. Now instead of writing a new key in the square brackets, you specify an existing key and then assign a new value corresponding to the existing key. So in the existing dictionary, the key Sohail was having the value 92, but now we want to change the value corresponding to this particular key Sohail to 93.5. So what we have done, we have written the name of the dictionary, enclosed in square brackets the key, and assigned to it the new value. Okay, so remember that mutating or modifying a dictionary means modifying the values present in the dictionaries and not the keys, because we learned in the previous video that keys belong to immutable data type in dictionary. Okay, now coming to the membership operation that can be performed in dictionaries. So there are two membership operators that we have studied before also, the in operator and the not in operator. So the in operator checks if a particular key is present inside a dictionary. Okay, and it will return true when that key that you have specified is present in the dictionary, otherwise it will return false. So this is the same dictionary that we used in the previous example, and if we check whether the key Sohail exists in dictionary 1 or DICT1, then the result will be true. And the not in operator does the exact opposite of the in operator. So what it will do, it will return true when a particular key does not exist in the specified dictionary. So we are again checking in a dictionary is always done on the basis of keys. So here also the operator will apply to the key, and if we check whether Sohail is not in dictionary 1, then this will return false, because actually this statement is false. The key Sohail is present in dictionary 1. Okay. Now quickly coming to how can we traverse a dictionary, or how can we access different items that are present in a dictionary. So we know that every item is a key value pair in a dictionary. So we use a for loop and iterate over the keys that are present in a dictionary, and we can print the key value pair corresponding to each key. So how do we do that? So when we write a for loop, we specify the keyword for, then we use any variable name. Here the variable name is key itself, and this particular variable will take one by one all the keys that are present in the dictionary, and then this print statement will print the key value and the corresponding value associated with that key. Okay, so as you can see, the dictionary had 4 items. The keys were Mohan, Ram, Sohail and Sangeeta, and these are the values corresponding to these keys. Okay, now this was one way of using the for loop to traverse a dictionary, in which in the loop iteration variable is only getting the keys from the dictionary. You can also get the key value pair in itself from the dictionary using the built-in function items. So we will be studying about the built-in functions on a dictionary in the next video in detail. But for now, if you want to access the keys as well as their corresponding values, you can use this built-in function, and instead of using the square brackets, this particular notation to access the value, you can directly print the value that has been retrieved from the items function. So when you specify like this, you specify the for keyword, then you write 2 variables key comma value, which are here. You can also write k comma v in dictionary1 dot items. So this will give you pairs that will each pair, the first value in each pair will be assigned to this key variable, and the second value in each pair returned by this function will be assigned to the value variable, and then you can print here. Okay, so the output will be exactly the same as you see here, but it is your choice which method you choose. Okay, so that's all for today. These were the basic functions and operations that you can perform on a dictionary. I hope you have understood all these concepts. If you have any doubts, you can mention us in the comment section below and let us know how are you liking these videos. Thank you for watching. Till we meet in the next video, mind your exam.